Student, last class it was finished from 16 to 19. Today homework was 16 to 20. So what happened? 20. So today I am going to start from 20. 22, 23, class number 4 for English version, exercise number 4.3. Is number 20. X square plus xy plus z thrice x square minus twice xy plus thrice z 2x square plus 7xy minus twice z. Just noticed here three algebraic expression here. It is little bit different from another method. Solve. X square xy plus z. This is the first expression. We have to put the first bracket because we are going to add. That's why we put the add sign here. Okay, and we have to write this second expression here. It's going to finish. Third expression, before third expression we have to put plus sign because we are going to add. 2x square 7xy to z. This line we are going to add three algebraic expression. This is first expression here, put plus sign. Second expression here, put plus sign. Third expression here, put plus sign here. Now we are going to arrange the similar term with sign. X square plus. Some students are thinking I put the plus sign, this plus sign here. No, I put this plus sign here. Thrice z, sign is plus. Twice xy, sign is z. 3x square, sign is plus. Inside bracket there, but we should not write there. But whenever it's going out from there, we put the plus sign. Okay? And this plus 2x square. Just I am going to arrange similar term with similar term with sign. I put this plus sign here, and now xy minus 2xy and plus 7xy. This xy. This plus sign is here, but we should not write. Minus 2xy here, and plus 7xy plus 7xy here. Okay, we put this plus sign there. Now z. But we should not put this plus before the plus sign, should not put here. But we keep in our mind plus sign is there. And thrice z and twice z with sign. Just arranging with similar term. Some students are thinking we can arrange x square plus xy because x is there. No, we have to keep in our mind similar term. During similar term, this exponent or index x square. This index of x is x square 2, but this index of x, index or power or exponent is 1 here. Okay, now it's very simple. Just we have to add. Before I said to you guys, During addition and subtraction, we have to keep in our mind, we have to add only their numerical coefficient. So the numerical coefficient of x square is 1, x square is 3, and x square is 2. Just we have to add 1, 3 and 2. 1, 3 and 2 is 6. So 6x square. 1, 3 and 2 is 6. X square only we have to take x square. Okay. The bracket is with, because of inside 3 terms converted into only 1 term. We have to keep in our mind, inside bracket or fraction, inside bracket all terms is converted into 1 terms. That time we have to withdraw the bracket. That time we have to withdraw the bracket. The same way, here is different thing. Plus xy minus 2xy and plus 7xy. So we have to add with that sign. Here is plus sign. So 1xy and 7xy, it 8xy and minus 2xy. 1xy add 7xy is together 8xy totally. 8, this one. 1xy, here is plus sign. 7xy plus sign is 8xy minus 2xy. Okay, this plus sign is here. Same way, 1z and 3z is plus together. Totally together. 1 and 3. It is going to 4z minus 2z. Bracket is there. Before I said, inside bracket all term is not going to convert it into 1 term. That's why still bracket is there. When all work is finished, 2 term will convert it into 1 term. That time we withdraw the bracket. We are out the bracket. 7x square, 8x square minus 2xy. That means 6xy. Bracket is finished. Because of work has done, nothing will happen for that, after that. Same way, 4z to minus 2z. That means 2z. This is the result. Okay? This is going to little bit hard from next math. Number 21. First algebraic expression is 4p square and 7q square and 4r square. R is like that, is capital letter, you know. Second expression is p square plus 3r square. And third expression is 8q square minus 7p square minus r square. 8q square minus 7p square minus r square. 4p square, 7q square, 4r square, p square plus 3r square, 8q square minus 7 p square minus r square. Solve. Before I said you guys, there is 2 method. Again and again I am going to describe you guys. There is 2 methods. One is one under another, and another one is side by side. I am going to solve this another method side by side for finding the addition of algebraic expression. Just dear student, think about. I write this first expression. Okay, plus sign here because I am going to add. That's why I put plus sign. Second expression is here, and plus sign. Third expression is here. Now I am going to arrange similar term with similar term. 4p square with sign. The 4p square, another similar term is p square. Here is plus sign, please. Whenever we are out from here, we put the plus sign. And minus 7p square. Minus 7p square. Just we arrange a similar term with sign. Here is plus sign, here is plus sign, here is plus sign. This plus sign I put there. Now I am going to q square. 7q square I write, but I should not put this plus sign here. But we have to keep in our mind plus sign is here. This plus sign is here. Okay? And plus 8 q square. Q is not available here. That's why 8 q square is here. And 4 r square plus 3 r square and minus r square. This line is very important for you because of we arrange similar term with sign. Similar term with sign and similar term with sign. Again I explain you 4p square p square plus p square and minus 7p square plus sign. This plus here 7q square. Q is not available here. That's why we should not write anything. And from here plus 8q square and plus sign is there 4r square plus 3r square minus r square. Now just 4p square plus 1p square. 4p square and the numerical coefficient of p square is 4. The numerical coefficient p square is 1. So 4 and 1, 5. Just add. And 7. Just add. And 7q square and 8q square. 7 and 8. 8 is 7, 15 q square. Add. 7 and 8, 15 q square. The bracket already out because of inside bracket 2 term is converted into 1 term. Inside bracket all term is converted or all fraction is converted into 1 fraction. That time this bracket will out. Bracket will omitting. Bracket will withdraw from there. Is 4r square and 3r square. So 2 plus sign is there. Firstly we add this plus there. 4 and 3. 7r square minus r square. 4 and 7, 7r square. Now just before 5p square there is plus sign and before 7p square there is minus sign. So minus is more here. So how much more? 2p square more. Just minus is more here. How much more? 2. 2p square is more. That's why minus 2p square. And 15q square. And plus from 7r square to minus 1r square. That means 6r square. This is the result. This is the result. Dear student, it's number 22. Number 22 is same as number 21. You have to try. If you fail, you have to comment. I will solve it in the next class. But number 23 is most important for you guys. That's why I am going to solve this number 23. Number 22 you have to try. If you fail, you comment me. I will solve it in the next class. Number 23. First term is 2x cube minus 9x square plus 11x plus 5. This is the first term from the number 23. And this is the most important math for you guys. And another term is x cube plus 7x square minus 8x minus 3 and minus third term is minus x cube. Third term is minus x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 1. Again just correction it. 2x cube minus 9x square plus 11x plus 5. Second term is minus x cube plus 7x square minus 8x minus 3. Third term is minus x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 1. This is the important term mathematics for you. 23, 25 is important because of this. Sometimes the creative math will come from two math. Just we have to try it. Solve for we are going to add it. So just we have to write normally the first term, second term and third term. This is the first term plus. I am going to add, that's why I put the add sign is there. And second term is there. And third term is there. First term, second term, third term. We put plus sign because I am going to solve the addition. Just same as before. After arranging in first line, second line we are going to add the similar term with similar term. That means 2x cube, the similar term is minus x cube, the similar term is minus x cube. It's going to plus, because I am going to plus, this plus sign is there. Second term is minus 9x square plus 7x square plus 2x square plus sign, and third term is 11x minus 8x minus 4x and plus 5 minus 3 and plus 1. 5 minus 3 and plus 1. Plus 1 plus 5 minus 3 and 1. This is very important for you guys. After arranging first line for addition, second line is very important for you guys. Just second line is we have to arranging similar term with sign. 2x cube minus x cube minus x cube minus x cube minus x cube. First finish. Second one 9x square plus 7x square plus 2x square. Third one 11x minus 8x and minus 4x. And fourth one plus 5 minus 3 and plus 1. Just we have to add here. Just think about it, students are going to mistake sometime here. Here is 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. And before one term there is plus sign. And minus sign is 2 more times. So we have to like that same as before. If 2 add is there, first we add there. Now 2 minus is here, we have to 2 minus add firstly. Suppose here is minus 1 and here is minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1 is together is minus 2x cube. Again I said minus, here is minus 1, here is minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 1 is together minus 2x cube. Here is same. 2 plus is here. Like 2 minus is here and 2 plus is here. So we have to add 2 plus here. 9x square. 7x square and 2x square plus is 9x square. Same as 11x. Before x there is minus 8x and minus 4x. So it's minus 12x together. Minus 8x and minus 4x is together minus 8x. Some student going to multiply. Minus 7 is a plus. No. Minus 8 and minus 4 is together minus 12x. Suppose minus 1 and minus 1 is together minus 2. Minus 3 and minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 3 is minus 5 is minus 8. Just minus, we together minus. And same as 5 and 1 plus sign. Before 1 there is plus sign, before 5 there is plus sign, plus. So 5 and 1 6 minus 3. First bracket is there because of work is not finished. Here is 0. Minus 2x cube plus and minus 2x cube minus. We should 0. There is same as 0. Plus 11x minus 12x. Suppose imagine it. You have 11x is plus and you have minus is 12x. So minus is more 1x. That's why I put minus 1x. I didn't write 1 here. Bracket is there because we have to work still not finished. Because of minus sign, this minus sign and plus sign we have to multiply later. Next line. So from 6 to 3 is 3. And this next line, minus we have to omitting, plus a minus a, minus x plus 3. This is the result. Plus a minus a, minus. Some student thinking before, sir said, when inside bracket inside bracket wall is converted in one, wall term is converted into one term, we have to withdraw the bracket. Okay, but still there minus sign is there. We cannot put two signs together like that, like plus, like minus x. That's why we put the bracket sign is there, because we have to multiply later, plus a minus a minus, plus a minus a minus. This is the finish. This math is important for you guys. I said to you, this class today is going to finish. Your HW is from 20 to 23. Okay, thank you. If you feel any problem, just you can comment or you can call me. My number 01730282079. Mintu sir. Thank you.